guys are the best lead source I've ever come across, and I've been doing business for 25 years. And it's hands down. It's not even close. In this business, the thing that really makes your business is first leads, high quality leads, and second is high quality techs. And without those two, you aren't going to be successful. And so, and what we have found over the past several months, you guys generate the leads, man. Like we've spent, because we own a construction company too, we spent in the fall like $75,000 just wasted trying to find good lead companies. It's so hard to find good lead sources, and you guys are my number one. I've never seen the results with anyone else like you guys get. And it doesn't feel like, it feels like a straight on partnership. It doesn't feel like, hey, these guys are trying to do everything they can to just get a little bit more out of us. It's been really, really, truly is a partnership in every sense of the word with you guys. The dashboard is great, and the fact that you guys monitor it as well has been fantastic, and it enables us to work with you guys then to kind of tweak things, because we had found some things that, okay, we thought this was happening and you guys were saying this was happening, and because we looked at the dashboard and you guys also were sending us emails about, hey, did you see this on the dashboard that, you know, your call answers were at this level and you really need to be answering a lot higher a lot higher number of calls. And my guys were telling me we were, but when I called them on that and we started going through some of these, oh, well, maybe. So, you know, it really came down, it brought them down to brass tacks. Like, we found out that they weren't really doing everything they were telling us they were doing, but you guys helped us catch some of the problems that were going on. We have all of our call answerers use it, and it's great because it takes all the guesswork out of it. It gives them a tried and true script to use that, hey, if you do this, you're going to close the maximum number of clients as possible. And it was free. You guys offered it as, you know, you didn't have to. And that was one of the really cool things about it too, that you guys offer so many little tools like that free of charge, just as part of being a good partner. And we really appreciate that. I've owned several businesses in my life, and being a businessman, you have certain fixed costs that you're always going to have, and advertising is one of those. There's that minimum entry amount that you've got to spend, and you've got to make enough to cover your fixed costs. And if you're not an owner operator, if you are an owner operator, then you yourself can probably make some money with just yourself, as long as you keep things small and tight. But if you ever want to get big, really big, and make a lot of money, what you want to do is you want to advertise a lot more and have you guys ramp up the lead volume, because that second tech is mostly all profit, but that third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh tech is all profit. And so, because all your fixed costs are covered by that first tech and maybe, you know, tech and a half, and everything after that is pure profit. And with this business, like I said, the two main things are good techs and great leads. So you guys provide the great leads that are scalable. So any business owner, man, why stop at one or two? Because all you got to do is find the good techs or train the good techs, and you can have 5 techs. Then instead of you just making $100,000 a year and working all the time, you could make $300,000 or $400,000 a year and work a whole lot less, because you guys provide the leads. And so I encourage other businessmen and women and business owners, think about it that way. You don't want to be the little Bubba doing all the work yourself, because you'll never have the freedom that you want. The way to get that freedom is to invest in yourself and in your business. Invest with ARM, because they've got it down to a science, and you'll make a lot more money and have a lot more freedom